beautiful people of the world. So, as you all know, if you saw my last video, I recently moved to LA, and along with this big change in my life, I have an urge, a burning desire to change other things in my life. My hair. We're gonna cut my hair. I have been natural for about 4 or 5 years now, and I haven't cut my hair since I did my big chop. So I was looking up different curly hairstyles, and along with the ever so popular diva cut, I saw a lot of girls that just had curly bangs. Now, I haven't had bangs for a very long time, and when I did have bangs, my hair was relaxed. I have never cut my hair since it has been curly, and I do not know what the outcome is gonna be. Alex just left. He's gonna be gone for like, I don't know, maybe an hour tops. So I figured, now that I have the house to myself, I can get into Zen mode and we can cut this hair together. Now, at first I thought maybe I should go to the salon, you know, get it done professionally so I don't end up on Brad Mondo's channel like, hair fail.
What the hell is that?
But hey Brad, how's it going? So like everything I do in my life, I watched a few YouTube videos already, so I am pretty much a professional now. We got this. I have the necessary tools: scissors, a knockoff Denman brush, a spray bottle, and I think that's about it. Oh, and a scrunchie. So let's just do this thing. Let's just jump right in and get this started. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's do it. With most of the videos that I saw, the girls usually put their hair to the front and part it. So we're gonna part it first. I'm not gonna just go in all willy-nilly. I know you guys are expecting that, but I'm gonna have some order to this chaos that's about to start. So let's go ahead and part. A few days ago, I styled my hair in such a way that it looked like I cut my hair, but I didn't. And I asked everyone on my Instagram, do they think I should cut bangs or not? And the winning response by a landslide was that I should not cut bangs. So here we are. I have some previous knowledge of cutting my bangs because back in the day when my hair was relaxed, I used to cut my bangs pretty often. So I'm thinking it's kind of the same thing. Kinda. It might not be at all. It might not be the same thing at all, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're pretty much good. I think I got the part down. So here is what it is looking like. So far so good? Okay, cool. So now I'm going to tie back all this hair. Are my armpits sweating? Don't look at my armpits. Now we are working with all this. So
here comes the fun part.
So the way I want to do it, which is pretty much how everybody does it, I'm going to cut at least to my nose in the center, and then I'm gonna taper off to the sides so that it kind of frames the face. Okay. Oh man. We're gonna start with about that much hair. Alright, let's go. Oh snap! That seems like pretty good so far. Oh, my curls look so cute! Look at that. So I used to do it, line it up with like the arch of my eyebrow. Can't see them right now, but I know that's about here, so I can see like the tail of my eyebrow. And here. So I'm gonna tuck that part behind my if it would stay. Now the rest of this is just kind of gonna be cut straight. I'm bad cutting on my left hand. Oh crap, this is not cutting good at all. I have so much gray hair, it's crazy. Oh my god. Am I gonna cry at the end of this video? I might. Okay, so that's what it's looking like so far. Now we're gonna bring these pieces back in. Let's keep going down in an angle. Oh god, does it look crazy? Let's just keep going. So hard for me to cut with my left hand. Not recommended to cut like this. Please don't follow my lead. This is not a tutorial, by the way. Don't come for me in the comments just yet. Let's see how this turns out first. All right, I think I pretty much have the shape that I want. I'm just gonna wet the bangs and comb them out and see how they look. So I got my spray. I have like a little bit of, I think, leave-in conditioner in this. I don't know what it is about bangs that like there's such a negative response towards them. Like people hate bangs, but I mean, you can always brush your hair back, right? And I have a pretty big forehead. Like, I prefer to have bangs, honestly. Don't come at me, okay? I just want to look like I have a nice small face, okay? Can we just let me live? I'm wondering how my hair is gonna look when it's straightened though. That's the real question here. You know, I think it's just gonna work for me, guys. I think this is gonna work. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go through it with my bootleg Denman brush and then I'm gonna let it dry and we're gonna see how it looks. So this side you can see is way longer than this side. So I'm going to cut this up a little bit more just to even it out and I'm gonna clean up a little bit. All right, so I think I'm pretty much done. We're gonna diffuse this, get it dry, and see how it looks. Fingers crossed. All right, so my hair is semi-dry. So I'm gonna take down the back and we're gonna see how this looks. My bangs look extra crisp right now and my hair just looks like an ashy mess. But I really, really like it. They really do shrink a lot more than you're expecting. Cut longer, if anything. This looks like a toupee. I was thinking of cutting the rest of my hair, but I don't think I'm that confident in myself yet. Like, I'm really digging this. Look at my white patch. What do you guys think? Like, let me know in the comments below. Should I have gone to a professional? Did it turn out good? Did I f it up? Let me know. I think it looks great. Oh my god. I'm in love. I know I probably should have done this professionally, but guys, like, I'm broke. I just moved cross country. I ain't got no money, so I had to do it myself. I'm impatient. Once I saw this, I had to do it. And you know, content. Anyway, I think this was a success. I can't wait to like put my hair up. Look at how it's gonna look. It's gonna be so cute. Okay, anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, you already know the deal. So Alex is about 10 minutes away from home and I want to see what his reaction is to the things that I do when he leaves me alone for more than 30 minutes. He's here. Hi, Timothy.
What I got?
Oh my god. What do you think of my hair?
Oh, you look so cute.
You like it?
Now you can see better.
Think it came out good?
Yeah. Came out really nice.
What happens when you leave me home by myself?
I can't leave for like 30 minutes.
Well, that's it for this video. Bye!